thing is absolutely gorgeous. How's your show going, Rick?
Great,
You want to
fantastic.
tell us a little bit about your Impala here?
Yeah, it's a 1960 Chevrolet Impala, and I was after a guy to sell it to me when it became available, and sadly he passed away last year, and his family contacted me and asked me if I was still interested in purchasing the car. So I did, and here we are. This is really a tribute to the family and K&D Marine. They did a beautiful job with the car. It's more work than I ever could have done, and I'm just excited to be here to represent the company, the family, and all the people here in Detroit.
So tell us a little bit about how this thing's trimmed out. You know, what motor and engine package, what rear end's in it, like what makes this thing kind of a period race car?
Okay, it has the Mopar Dana rear end in it. It's got a turbo 400 transmission, small block Chevrolet with a small supercharger on it.
What's it running, a quarter and an eighth?
No, the car originally ran in the low 10s, but with my engine and trans, I just haven't had it to the track yet. So we're about to find out, but I expect it to be probably an 11-second car.
Heck yeah, and this thing will certainly look good doing it. Like I said, this paint job is absolutely gorgeous, and you know, I love how it has, you know, a Dana 60 and all this, you know, because back then when they were building, building race cars, that's, Dana 60 is a good strong rear end.
Sure
if that's
is.
what you get your hands on, like that's what you're putting in the car.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we can't wait to see this thing out at a couple more shows and eventually see what it runs down the drag strip. I really appreciate you taking the time to talk to us.
Thank you very much.
So make sure to like and subscribe to our Summit Racing YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our latest videos.